All right, we just got here to Lady Bird Johnson Grove, and we're gonna go take a hike. A natural rest stop.
Yeah, I know. Everyone wants to take a picture.
Go through the tree, sissy.
She's going through the backside. She gonna come out over here. I see your feet. Watch your head. Ethan found a banana slug hidden.
I'm good.
So we had a change of plans. We were going to go to Fern Canyon, but there's too many people there, so they closed it for now. So instead we drove up the road and we were at a beach. They're gonna try skipping stones. Oh! I want to see Ethan skip a stone. You got two. Let's see Tao. Nope. Nope.
Huge.
Ooh, we found a huge mussel with a barnacle.
Thing's huge.
That's bigger than we see down in the Bay Area.
Huge.
All right, here he goes.
Oh, that's not very good.
That wasn't good. We are back at the cabin. We're gonna go pick some blackberries that are just right across the field.
Now these are the berries. No, these are not poisonous.
So not touching the leaves, don't care. Not risking it.
Ooh, hitting some blackberries.
I got one. Look at that patch up there.
This whole way is full of blackberries. Here's the backside of our cabin. Here's the tunnel we saw that elk walking. Oh, this morning we saw an elk walking through this tunnel that goes out to the field over there. Must use it all the time because he just went straight here. Tal's going to check it out. Look at all the Ellie's picked so far.
That one I don't think is very good though.
Here's the bounty. Nice.